Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PDF annotation editor that I developed in React.js, which I'm running it locally. If you see localhost 3000, and you can see this is the interface. You select whichever PDF file that you want to edit simply by clicking this button. So let me select the PDF file right here. You will see the PDF file will display, and we have these controls out there. This is page 1 of the 2 pages. We can go to the next page, navigate through. We have all these controls available. Then we also have the capability to add text, annotate as well. So these are the controls. If you click text control, and you just need to place the mouse here where at whichever location, just select the tool, and just whichever location, you can see the text will be added. And we also have the capability, this is, you can see the pencil icon is there, so you can highlight something. You can see that. We go to the next page. We do the modifications here also. Just select the pencil tool. You can add some text as well right here. And we can even change the color as well. So this is in the blue, you can also change the color. So now we also have the download button. So click on download, you will see the file will be downloaded, and all the changes that you have done, so add text, annotate, the changes have been saved right here. So it's a very good tool in React.js. It's a static tool, it doesn't require any server to run. And let me show you the source code right here. So this is actually the source code, package.json file. Let me show you. So we are using the latest version of React. If you see, we are also using this package React PDF, which is used specifically for React for rendering the PDF. And then we are also using PDF-LIB library, which is a JavaScript library for editing PDF files right in the browser itself. And simple command we are using. So the link is given in the description, guys. If you need the full source code, you can directly purchase it. And after purchasing it, we are simply running to run this locally. We come to the project, we simply run the command npm i. So this will install all the Node.js modules which are mentioned in the package.json file. And then we simply say npm run start. So this will start the local development server and actually start this React.js application locally inside your local development environment. And if you also want to deploy this, npm run build command is there, so you can easily build this application if you are deploying it for production. So once you get the source code, guys, you can see the application is divided into the components right here, various components. So each component is coded inside JavaScript, and you will be able to edit this if you are a developer to add additional functionalities as well. So the link is given in the description. You can purchase the full source code. Very simple project. You come to the PDF, you add text at whichever location, just select the tool, and you can also annotate if you want to highlight something. Then we have the save button. Very simple project, but it's very powerful as well. So you will get to know about how I coded this, the full source code you will get, and you can see that it's a full application. The link is given in the description, guys. You can go to my website procodestore.com. After you purchase it, you will get this zip file from Google Drive automatically. You just need to extract this zip file to actually get this directory structure. Just run npm i and npm run start. So this will start your React.js application locally, and you will be able to test out. You will see that. So if you are a developer, if you are looking for a job, college student, it will be a nice practical project to purchase it. You will get this full PDF editor. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image. And one more, we are using this package, guys, here, React PDF. I just want to show you. React PDF is a third-party package for React, for specifically for creating PDF files in the browser and server. And apart from that, we are also using PDF-LIB, which is a JavaScript open source library for creating and modifying PDF files right in the JavaScript environment. So we are using these two open source libraries, and thank you very much for watching this video.